Okay, today we're changing the cabin air filter on a Kia Sportage. It's a 2023. Most of the vehicles are pretty much the same. Our Kia Soul has the exact same filter, location, all the parts are the same. But there's the part number. I got this one off of Amazon. It was 10 bucks. Relatively cheap. You can get them for 20 bucks, even more, depending on what your needs are. If you have allergies and stuff, I would go with a better one. That's all it is. Airflow shows you there. So it would go this way. The air is coming from the windshield down. Go to your glove compartment, pop her open. You're gonna need a pair of pliers. There's the latch right there. You're gonna squeeze it and pull out. That's all there is to it. Once those locks get passed, you can just pull her right off. Then both sides are plastic. They have a cutout at the top that lets you flex it. Flex her in, pull her down, as long as it stays out of the pocket. As you can see here, pull her in, flex her down. So there we go. And inside, get a flashlight, maybe see a little better. Right there. That is a clip. Let's see if we can get a good view. You're gonna grab and squeeze, pull. That's all there is to it. Pull your filter. You can see the debris. So it does need to be changed. This one has 20,000 miles on it. Here is Hyundai and Kia part number, which they have several different part numbers I've noticed, but it's the exact same filter. Take our new filter. You can see this frame isn't the quality of the Kia. It doesn't have the surrounding on all four sides. So it's your choice. I'll link this one and several others in the description for you to pick from. But that's all there is to it. You slide her in, slide everything back together. Just push it, it snaps, you're in, bring her back up. We're in. Push it on, you're done. That's all there is to it.